Good morning, class 9th. Today we are going to study our fourth chapter, linear equations in two variable. That is, in this type of equation we use two variables. Now what is variable? Variable are those which are changing, and constant which are not changing. So in this chapter we study the type of linear equation in which we use two variables. For example, x is variable and y is also variable. So example of this type of equation, that is linear equation in two variable, its example is linear equation in two variable. Its example is x plus y is equal to 176. In this equation we use x is variable, x as variable and y as variable. So this equation is known as linear equation in two variable. So why we call it linear? Because its degree or value or power is 1. So that's why we name this equation linear. And we use two variable, that's why we use two variables. We call this equation as linear equation in two variables. So next is general form of linear equation in two variable. General form of linear equation, general form of linear equation in two variable. Its general form is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So dear students, please remember this form, general form of linear equation in two variable. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So let us do one example. 2x plus 3y is equal to 4.37. So if we want to write in general equation in its general form, 2x plus 3y minus 4.37 is equal to 0. So write general form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now compare these two equations. By comparing these two equations we get a is equal to 2, a is constant and x is variable, b is constant, y is variable and c is constant. So that's why in this equation two variables are used. A is equal to 2. By comparing these two equations, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to minus 4.37. So by comparing the equation with the general form of linear equation in two variable, we get a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to minus 4.37. Now let us do the exercise 4.1. Here for second part, first sum is 2x plus 3y is equal to 9.35. Now write in general form 2x plus 3y minus 9.35 is equal to 0. Now write the general form of linear equation in two variable. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now comparing these two equations, we get a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, c is equal to minus 9.35. Similarly, its second sum is x minus y by 5 minus 10 is equal to 0. Now write general equation of linear equation in two variable ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now compare these two. If you want to write this in simple form, x minus 1 upon 5y minus 10 is equal to 0. Now compare ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. From these two equations we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1 by 5 and c is equal to minus 10.